You hop into your natural gas or electric vehicle, turn the key, and the engine either stalls out immediately, refuses to start when it is cold out, or just runs terribly rough while a check engine light stares back at you. If your code reader is pulling a P0618, your powertrain control module is essentially telling you it has partial amnesia. This specific code stands for Alternative Fuel Control Module Keep Alive Memory Error. Modern alternative fuel vehicles rely on complex computer modules to manage everything from the high-pressure gas injectors to the battery management systems. These computers use Keep Alive Memory, or KAM, to remember all their fine-tuned adaptive learning strategies, like fuel trim and idle settings, even when you turn the key off. When a P0618 triggers, it means the alternative fuel control module has lost its ability to hold on to that memory. Because the computer keeps forgetting how it is supposed to run the engine, it defaults to basic, clunky factory settings every single time you start the car, which causes those horrible drivability issues. Diagnosing this is not for the faint of heart, as it is strictly a computer and electrical issue. Before you jump to conclusions and buy a wildly expensive new computer, you need to check the absolute basics. The Keep Alive memory requires a constant, albeit tiny, trickle of battery power at all times. Grab a digital multimeter and check your main battery health and the specific fuses that feed continuous power to the alternative fuel module. If a fuse is blown, or if your battery voltage drops too low overnight, the memory will wipe itself. Also, thoroughly inspect the heavy ground wires bolting the computer to the chassis. A loose or corroded ground will cause the module to completely crash. If the power and ground are perfectly solid, you are unfortunately looking at an internal failure of the module itself, or a severe software corruption that will require a trip to the dealership for a complete reprogramming or a total module replacement.